In today's video, we're taking a look at a pedestal misting fan from NewAir. Everything that we use on the video, we're going to leave a link on the description. So the weather is picking up, and it seems every time you go outside, you're sweating. That is why today we're taking a look at an outdoor fan, 26 inches, that also mists. So this particular fan gives you 8,700 CFM of power. It has an adjustable mist setting, a water tank, and 3 fan speeds. If we notice at the base, we have a water pump, and it is submergible. This is what's going to take the water from the tank to the fan on top. The tank itself can hold 5 gallons, which can provide you enough water for a hot summer day. It has a cap to cover it, and at the bottom of the tank we have notches, and this is what's going to secure that tank to the base and prevent that tank from moving around. We go ahead and place the water pump on the U channel at the bottom of the tank and get it ready for the party. As you can see, there's a red line for maximum fillage, and according to the owner's manual, or what we like to call barbecue paper, it says that you want to drain the water every day because you know stagnant water and heat don't mix. Now that we have it filled with water, we can place the cap back. And this bad boy, bad girl, both or none, does weigh 89 pounds. Plus water is how we feel after Thanksgiving dinner. So to move it around, it does have wheels. Also, a lock mechanism so you can lock it in place. And to make that move easier, it does have handles so you can drive away with that fan wherever the heat is calling you. And as Watson points out, the handles can double as a wire wrapping station. On the side of the bar, we have the misting switch. And this is the one that's going to let you turn on the mist or turn it off. So that means if you only want fan power and no misting, you can do that. And at the lower part of the bar, we have the control knob. And this is the one that's going to control the mist. You can go from low to high or to off. At the top of the fan, on the head, we have the speed control knob. And this is the one that controls the speed of your fan. And you have 3 speeds. And also located on the back of the fan motor housing is the oscillating knob. And this is the one that's going to control your fan from oscillating to one side to the other or to stand still. The fan blades are metal and they do have a coating to protect it from rusting. Looking from the back of the fan, you can see the blue hose that takes the water to the misting apparatus. And on the front, you can see how it catches the excess water and it takes it back to the tank. This disc in front of the fan is the one that gives you that misting power. Once you turn it on, it rotates as the fan does as well, which then forces droplets to the air so your fan finally makes it a mist to your face. Let's go ahead and plug it in and put it to the test. Once you turn it on, you can feel the power right away, and placing it all the way up to high speed, you can feel the strong winds bouncing off your sculptured body. Let's turn on the misting switch and turn the misting power to high. As you can see, the mist goes up, and that gives you more coverage because it means that the ones closest to the fan are gonna get the mist as it drops, but also the people all the way in the back are also gonna get it. Another great thing is the ability to be able to control the misting amount. So if you want a small mist, just by turning the knob, you can turn it almost all the way down. But if you need to get cool right now, then you turn it up all the way. Overall, we've been testing this fan for about a week, and every time you turn it on, it gets a smile on your face. You go from hot to cool in a few seconds. Don't forget, if you like the video, please give us a thumbs up. That really helps. If you have any questions, place them in the comment section below. Either someone in the StatUpBox team or someone in the YouTube community can help you out with an answer. Don't forget to subscribe, follow us on social media. Thank you for watching, and here's a link to our latest video.